Hey, what's up? Hope every single one body's doing very well. For me, it's been extremely busy. So, I'm here at GreenTree LaserWash touch-free car wash here at GreenTree PA, which is Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Just checking out this location, but this car wash was formerly called the LaserWash touch-free car wash, where it was owned by a special company, so forth. But in this situation, they just sold that one and to a brand new one, just called GreenTree car wash. So just checking out this location to see how it is. Since I just went through the Ryko Soft Gloss Max 5, at the McHugh's Rocks one, just getting some stock complete in that area. And so I just came on this location just to check on it to see how it is. Since my family was looking for one certain location just for one of my medicals, since it's very possible they may or may not meet up with me for my appointment, but it's okay though. But over there is DoubleTree by Hilton and some other plazas. Which I gotta check out that and find that certain plaza because one of my sports assistants is out there. But I can't check coins today on this vacuum cleaner because it's all the snow. But I just came back to see how this car wash is with the touch-free automatic laser wash. See if it has the original onboard dryer sounds, but unfortunately it doesn't. It just has the newer one. But the soft touch, which is a PDQ Tandem, does, and it has the original onboard dryer sounds from the old LaserWash G5. Anyway, well, there's the old wash medium, but my friend is here, and so who I met up with me, and so he recognized me, and just since it's been quite some time since I haven't been to this location. But overall, it's a great location though. He's really busy though. I don't want to disturb him. I'll be trying to be getting that wash menu right there, the laser wash, but I gotta talk to him first of all. And they also own Drake's Car Wash, which is the BloomField laser wash, where I did an update not long ago. So whenever I come through this car wash to get my family's vehicle washed, I will be going through the PDQ Tandem, which is that bay, which is the original onboard dryers. And then I'll eventually do this one sometime, but right now I couldn't. Anyway, there's some of the old stuff right in the corner, but I haven't talked to the owner that they can spin around extremely busy. And I got a lot of stuff going on, so it is. So overall, so far, I'm not sure if the owner is going to replace the, it's a good friend of mine, is going to replace the garage door lift doors. This one replaced, which is the sad version of the LaserWash G5 with rich onboard dryers. Just those are my favorite kind. But the maxair ones are kind of alright. But the newer version ones, they're much better than the first generation of maxair dryers they designed and created from PDQ wash system. So forth. Anyway, then there's two more vacuums on the corner, but right now it is cold and it's temperature. So just checking to see how this location is, and everything's all good. I'm just checking that this one was closed, but now it's all open. So next time on this direction, I will be going through the soft touch and so forth. And whenever the spot free run's done, passes completed, I'm gonna have my family maybe want to go extremely slow. They usually go really fast through the dryers for the vehicle, but it's not like they're in a hurry or anything, but they just know what's going on. Anyway, so right now this is located in GreenTree, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Oh, and here's those dryer sounds. That's the one I like. Well, there's a dryer term. So far. Anyway, so I'm gonna get going right now. So that being said, thanks for watching. Till next time.